It's all gone.
Yeah.
It's just liver, I think.
Yeah, I don't want
No, it's not just liver.
It's like minced liver turned into jelly.
Alright.
Alright, we're about to go for a food tour. It's pretty much the only reason I came to Vietnam, so that'll be good. About to eat my body weight in, well, Vietnamese street food, I guess. It's gonna be amazing.
Sweet.
And free beer and then karaoke.
What did they say this was?
Crab,
Liver?
pork.
Okay, so this is crab. Liver.
No,
liver jelly.
It's just liver, I think.
Yeah, it's like minced liver turned into jelly.
Alright, so that's probably the most weird thing on here. It's pretty good actually.
Isn't liver the thing that...
Relatively
Do we think this is super hot?
decent.
Surprisingly not that bad. Pretty intense.
This one is considered as the dessert. Yes. Enjoy its place.
Too citrusy.
Alright, this is a mung bean something. I don't know what mung bean is, but it's a dessert. With the black thing in there. I think it's a fly. It's probably not a fly. It's like a booger.
I wasn't gonna eat it anyways, but this is legit. Like that is boogers.
Sounds like a bad idea. Tricking us is terrible. Doctor says no. Okay. I'm not like too keen on this. If I get sick, I'll make a good video about it. I don't know how this is possibly edible and why somebody would recommend doing this, but the flavor's good. It tastes good. It is pretty tasty, but it is raw pork, so.
Hey you guys, so here is fertilized duck egg.
No!
Fertilized duck egg. Wow, yum yum.
Yes!
So I'm very much not looking forward to this one, I gotta say.
So 18 days incubated duck egg. I'm really interested to see what the texture is going to be like. I can kind of guess the flavour because I assume it'll be something between a duck and a duck egg. So I don't know. I guess it'll probably just taste like a really weird textured egg. Probably. But I'll let you know.
I still needed that.
Why not? Come on.
Tastes like an egg.
What does it feel like? Those are the reactions.
Feels slightly different than an egg. But no.
The fertilized egg.
No crunch.
Oh, I want to see what the inside looks like.
Okay, moving on. Now, it's very exciting.
It's a little disgusting, I gotta say.
Yeah, now you're really not enjoying it. Do you want some of this too? Oh, see, that's
I thought about it.
Okay,
Yeah, I'm good.
okay, it's good. It's good.
What's the texture
Has
like?
anybody got some beer or something?
The texture's like an egg, but
But then it's got feathers like
no, but the inside
I need that.
you can see.
Let's see, can I have a look?
Oh, is it not good? It's just weird.
I want to try it, please.
Have a look.
Come on.
Well done.
Have a look. Like split it more open.
It's like a chewy egg.